Solver Solutions team designed eLab software especially for cleaning and pathology labs to generate accurate test reports and maintain patient records. Before launching eLab software, Solver team observed that most of the clinical labs are using MS Word or Excel for generating patient records. This process is very much time consuming, prone to errors, have no security and lacks uniformity. Keeping this in mind, Solver team designed a solution especially for clinical labs to produce very fast and accurate reports for the patient. Provides you total control over your business, totally error-free. eLab is such a solution that handles your precious data in a very compact and secure method. There is no file system so that your data redundancy is totally minimized. eLab is a very simple software to operate. There's no need to learn, no need for any training of computers. Patient entry in eLab is very simple and very fast. When a patient arrives in clinical lab, just input patient name, age, gender, referring doctor and contact information of patient. Software automatically picks up the current system date and assigns an automatic OPD number to the patient. Test to be performed on patient can selected with a single click of mouse. Software automatically prints receipt to the patient as we save the patient entry. In receipt details of test and cash receipt against test is printed very nicely with details. The main crux of pathology lab is in the printing of patient report. eLab software takes care of every aspect related to printing of test reports very technically. In eLab software, we can feed the patient results very fast and much faster than Excel. There are many so checks. We can define lower and upper limits for the test results. Any abnormal test results gets highlighted automatically because eLab software has been developed very professionally by using Gradient Cell technologies. Notes are detailed interpretation regarding particular tests. To give your report a very professional and descriptive look, we can insert notes in eLab software very smartly. In eLab software, using the F4 key, store all the notes as template in Test Master that can be edited at the time of results. Vidal test pathology structure is so complicated and requires special format. eLab software provides a very formative and professional structure for special tests like Vidal, making it very easier to input Vidal test reports in a single click and print as per guidelines by Medical Research Council. Using eLab software, we can design any report format ourselves without any technical knowledge. We can set test report on using pre-printed stationery or simply format. Use colors, logos, borders, lines, stylish fonts, watermark to beautify our test report. In daily working, there are many logical and financial reports that are not possible if we use MS Word or any third-party software. Using eLab software, all innovative, professional and forecasting reports are generated automatically. There is no need to pay your valuable time making these reports. Like patient test register, everything is noted very carefully. We can filter any report by patient name, reference by doctor, test name, OPD number, etc. with very nice printing format. In eLab software, we can calculate the doctor profit sharing report on per test basis as defined in the doctor master or percentage basis. eLab software generates many other valuable reports automatically like daily collection report, daily hospital report. The software generates all the reports in the very informative and analytical data graphically, like test-wise comparison, doctor-wise comparison, date-wise comparison, and much more. Security is key feature in laboratory software. Any unauthorized person should not be able to modify the test results and print the report again. Using eLab software, you can define user rights for different users at different conditions. Test Master in eLab software is so flexible There is no limit for creating new test master, modify any existing test master or delete any test master. While creating new test master, we can define the serial order of the test master to maintain the universal sequence in printing, test group name, subgroup name, unit, default values, cost, normal range, lower boundary and upper boundary of test. We can configure lower and upper boundaries of test. If operator makes a mistake while entering report, results will be highlighted automatically, leaving no chances for any human mistake. We can specify default value in case results have a value that comes commonly in most of the reports. In ELAP, we can store test interpretation or special instruction as notes in test master template. Is very informative and suggestive format which can be edited at the time of generating test report. No need to input notes or instructions again and again at result time. In pathology clinical labs, there are a number of tests. Every test have a group or subgroup. In ELAP software, we can define new groups or subgroups with a serial order number. Most of the clinical labs share their profit with referring doctor. Using ELAP software, we can structurize each test profit share very simply. To download ELAP software, visit our website www.solversolutions.in. Download ELAP software, download Solver Support TLL file setup. Install both setups on your system and enjoy.